Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we're going to see how to invite collaborators on Instagram after posting a reel. Firstly, launch the Instagram app on your Android or iOS device and make sure you're logged in, then go to your profile. Navigate through your profile and choose the post you want to add collaborators to. Tap the three dots icon in the top right corner of the post and select Edit to access all editing options for that post. Within the edit options, you'll see Add Location, Add Music, AI Label, etc. Just tap Add Collaborators to start process. Tap Invite Collaborators and search for Instagram accounts you want to invite. You can add up to 5 collaborators per post. Once invited, each collaborator will receive a notification to either accept or decline the collaboration request. Just a tip, when a collaborator accepts, the posts appear on both your profiles and theirs. An engagement is shared across both accounts. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.